So yeah, let's get ready. And as a typical Thursday goes, I can't stay for the entire time, so I gotta leave just like, I don't know, maybe like 10 minutes earlier than I typically do. But other than that, ideally I would like to be done early. I don't know. I want it to be extremely clear to you guys that chasing lows right off the open is very risky. It's not worth the money that you could make, considering the money that you could lose getting caught in a really aggressive bounce here. Who do you think will win what war? Yes, Apple and NVIDIA puts. So Apple, dang it, Apple just broke 205. So I'm going to be looking at Apple 205 puts. You know, again, guys, I want to see a bounce on things first, but Apple 205 puts and NVIDIA probably. Let's see here. Probably 102s. I mean, the hundreds will work, but to me, I don't want to be that far out of the money on a Thursday. But the 100 puts could work. They have a ton of open interest. But 103s, 102s will work for me. Honestly, I'll probably do 103s to be honest with you, just because that break is around there. But yeah, want to see a bounce on things, guys. Let's watch. Let's be a team here. Let's watch things together. I want to really pay attention to NVIDIA and Apple, but if anything else sticks out, let's be vocal about it. Oh, I don't know, Mastermind. I really don't know. Hopefully we get the good side of it, because it looks like, especially after seeing that graph Trump had, we've been getting crushed by tariffs on the other side. So we're just kind of retaliating now for the first time. Apple 205 puts, yes, Apple 205 puts, and then NVIDIA 103 puts. But again, for anyone that just got here, I am not looking to trade anything off the open. I want to see a bounce on everything first. That's going to be the safest thing for us to do here. All right, 10 seconds here, guys. 10 seconds. Cross your fingers for a bounce. If we just rip through new lows too far and then bounce, we're kind of screwed. New low on NVIDIA. Apple trying to bounce a little bit here. Market's bouncing, which is good to see. Once we kind of took out that liquidity there at 205 pretty nicely. They already put another wall at 205. So ideally, guys, I can see like 207 on Apple. I want to see a somewhat significant bounce. And then I'd look to play the new low. Tesla ripping up to NVIDIA, not really doing much. Want to see more. And I also want this to take, at least 5 minutes. So there's no rush. I don't really want to play the second candle of the day. There we go. Nice pop there on Apple. Let's see, these 205 puts are only $240. It's not bad. NVIDIA is bouncing up as well. That's good. There we go. Nice little bounce on Apple. That's sweet. That's what I want, guys. So now I'm not going to try to buy into a pop like this. Well, Tesla ripped all the way to 270 already. I'm simply just going to wait to see if we can get some aggressiveness into the low of the day. I really don't want this to happen on the second candle, though. To me, this could be a total trap. I'm not sure I'm willing to chase this. Market's still pretty strong. Apple's one of the weakest ones, though. Could try it with small size here for a low of the day, but I think I'm just gonna wait. Broke. Wow. Didn't break much though. That's what I was worried about. Total fake out there. Got back under 205. Contracts are like gained value, kind of weird too. I don't know. I'm staying away. Yeah, NVIDIA popped pretty nicely there as well. I don't know. Apple kind of screwed it up, man. I wanted to see this kind of take a few minutes and then give us 205, but maybe we can bounce again and then come back down to 205. I don't know. I'm probably going to move on from that for just a second. NVIDIA is doing well. So we have this new low, or low of the day is 103.26 on NVIDIA. So, ideally we can come up and test, this 105 level, and then we can roll back over. So this is good. Tesla just on a tear here, 272. All right, this is a good bounce on NVIDIA. This is more so what I want. And then we can see this kind of get back under VWAP, start failing, and then we can play the new low of the day through 103. Okay, but the closer we get to 100, guys, you got to think. I mean, you've probably heard it in the chat 100 times. People wanting to buy this, at 100, right under 100 if they can get it, stuff like that. So there's going to be buying pressure the closer we get to 100. So I'm not looking to buy puts on this and hold it all the way down there. So I don't know. Just keep that in mind, that around that $100 area could act as a really, really strong buying spot. Yeah, if you would have bought that top on Apple, it maybe could have worked, but I don't know. Where's Apple now? I'm not even looking at it. 206, so it bounced all the way back up. I don't know. I don't really love it that much anymore. To me, NVIDIA, this is the action that I wanted on everything, right? A nice couple candle bounce up to that, recent support we just broke. Well, we didn't know Tesla was going to go up, Wyatt, unless you did. All right, NVIDIA is sitting here kind of rejecting 105, so that's what I wanted to see. So let's see if we can get some sort of market rollover and then see how aggressive NVIDIA can get to the downside. Tesla making new highs. If the market doesn't fail, then I think Tesla's probably the strongest one, and maybe we can look for a little upside trade on that. It's just not ideal. However, Apple is dropping here again. I don't know. Maybe a new low trade there. I'm probably just going to stay away. Let me see if they added another wall. Yeah, the wall is just kind of small now at 205. Let me check out NVIDIA at 103. Yeah, Tesla stock's like its own thing. It's a complete different world. Nice wall at 103 here on NVIDIA. So if we can play this new low into 103, it could be pretty solid. Not some sort of A+ setup though, guys. I'm not looking to do anything crazy with it. Meta just made a really nice new low. Latvian, you trade that by chance? Apple back to 205. NVIDIA is right at VWAP here. I see this gets under that. NQ SPY kind of rejecting a little bit. Did not. Let's see, how did that look price action wise? Not bad. If you guys look at Meta, that's kind of what I want to see on NVIDIA here. A couple candle bounce, new low, and just get crushed. So let's pay attention here. We're under VWAP now. These contracts are fairly cheap. I'd like to see the market keep coming down. NVIDIA seems to be decently weak here. Again, looking for a new low into 103. Low of the day is 103.26. Safer entry is probably going to be around, a break of 103.50. Apple bounced right off 205 again. Okay, good. I'm going to stay away from that, I think. Nice rejection on VWAP there from NVIDIA. See if we can hold under VWAP here. Market trying to bounce. Would like to see this reject right here. NQ rejecting, SPY rejecting. Come on, NVIDIA. No, we're not going to get the rejection. KSI, so I do. I type them into Day Trades by Ethan. That's where my watch list is every morning. But you got to think, man. I'm also trading on my own, so I'm not going to jeopardize that. That's kind of why I like to talk everything out a lot. But also, the reason I have to talk about it a lot is people just kind of show up late sometimes. So yeah, I put them in a watch list and I talk about it for a while. Coco Melon, I have had more success with trading stocks, but it's all kind of a personal preference here. Apple's right at its lows again. Just broke. Dang it. I just missed that by like 1 minute. I probably would have tried it on that third test too. Man. Look at Tesla, guys. This is crazy. So if I don't see any sort of failure on the market, then I will be considering trading the upside on Tesla. Just seems much stronger. But we will see. Oh, nice, Charlie. Nothing too exciting yet. Market's down a ton. Just looking for some continued weakness here on some things. Apple's starting to slip up. NVIDIA trying to come back down again here. Tesla, big rejection. So we'll see. We kind of have a little uptrend now on NVIDIA. So if all this kind of fails, get back under VWAP, really start dropping, we could have a trade on our hands. I'd like to see this get under like 103.75 and see how it slips up there. Market really rejecting now, so let's look for weakness. Apple is a nice low a day. Dang it. After 3 or 4 tests there at 205. Let's see this get under 104. Nice. Already breaking 104. Bought straight back up. Want to see just if we can hold under VWAP, that'd be positive for me, but this looks like it's a little too similar here to the market. I'm not seeing that extra weakness on NVIDIA that I'd want. Apple just dropping off. Dang, man, that makes me mad. Market's still trying to come down. Might get NVIDIA here soon, so be focused here. NVIDIA 103 puts. Amazon dropping off a cliff as well. Apple with a $2 move on a Thursday. Ouch. Gonna have to just let that one go, though. Yeah, pretty solid Tesla pullback right there. We'll see what happens. Market's kind of slowing up here at its highs, so ideally we can just see things roll over, and I think NVIDIA would be a pretty solid trade. It's nothing that I'm going to be going in super heavy on by any means, but got a good wall at 103. Just kind of looking for this to fail here. Look at that. Look how that lines up there. 103.75. I want to see that get taken out here with some aggressive selling. Starting to drop here a little bit. Market's dropping a little bit. Quick bounce there, though, back to VWAP. Let's see if that holds on or not. It's not really what I want to see. A nice rejection here would be money. Straight back above. Tesla coming in at 270. That could be a nice little break and retest area. I don't know. Something positive for Tesla is they did that the auto tariff thing. So that helps Tesla because a lot of their cars are made in the US, if not all of them. It looks like if NVIDIA rips through 105, it's just going to continue higher. So ideally, we don't do that. I don't know. I'm not seeing that extra weakness that I do want to see here, which is kind of unfortunate. But Ford's up. Yeah, that is kind of weird. Back under VWAP here. Yeah, I think my entry on this is going to be a break of 103.50. Tesla quick bounce. Market looks like it's going to bounce, so we may not get this on NVIDIA. Apple bouncing back up. Tesla, big topside wick there. NVDA looks like it's going to pop. Just trying to be patient here. Above 105, I feel like it's probably done, but if it stays under this, and then we can get, spies coming in for a new low in the day. So this could happen somewhat soon, but I need it to be pretty obvious here in the video. I'm not just going to trade a new low if it just slowly gets dragged down there. I wanted to see something like Apple or Meta, that kind of price action. Interested to see what Tesla does here at 270. I'm just gonna have to wait on the video. But Tesla's kind of right at a break and retest spot here, right at VWAP. If the market bounces, this could be one of the ones that rips. I'm still watching the video though. Market's still rolling over. Man, there's your Tesla bounce. Market bounce too. Just kind of weird action right now, guys. I'm just kind of looking around, seeing what's going on. And look at the way SPY and NQ are moving. It's just weird. Pretty quick market bounce here. Tesla looks like it's going to go for a new high. Everything getting bought up. Red to green candle on Tesla. Man, the video's breaking 105 too, so that's might be done for the day. Tesla coming in for 275. Yeah, NVIDIA is probably done. $275 just got taken out there on Tesla. Rejected though at the market. Market's kind of rolling back over, so we'll see if we get I don't know, a quick move down on some stuff. It's kind of hard to tell right now. Apple just kind of retested 205. Are you trading this stuff, Dan C? Try to be patient with this stuff. Don't try to, like, early entry all this garbage. Oh, okay, yeah. So now you can kind of see how Tesla rejected 275. I hate that I'm getting dragged back to Tesla because that's all I've been watching, but Apple already kind of had its move, and so did NVIDIA. To me, it's just kind of done. NVIDIA is still trying to push new highs on its own. It's crazy. Yeah, I saw Sol at least last night. It was like $120 a coin. That's pretty cheap considering it was like over 200, right? Like almost 300 maybe. All those meme coin traders are feeling it. SPY coming in, trying to make a new low in the day. NVIDIA rejecting 105. SPY just broke 545. I don't know. SPY and NASDAQ just look a little different to me. NVIDIA is just not weak. Tesla coming back to 270 and VWAP here. Let me take a look at let's update that trade there. If Tesla can kind of make some sort of wedge pattern here, and then we get another recovery on the market, it could be a decent kind of trade through the high of the day, but I don't know. I'm just going to be patient with everything right now. NVIDIA pushing new highs. Market trying to bounce here. In Q back over 19,000. Is there a wall at 275? A little bit. Quick rejection there on Tesla, kind of across the board. Wow, look at that that buy up there. What was that news that just came out? ISM services. Okay, nothing super significant. Market bought up that dip though. Be smart, guys. There's really nothing to me that looks worth trading right now. This is all just kind of garbage stuff. I mean, futures are so choppy right now. Look how flat NQ is. Tesla just broke 270. That might be done for the day. Market selling off some more. NVDA rejecting a little bit. Market's really starting to drop. Be careful. Let's see here. NVIDIA, well, I don't know anymore. Probably have to move on from NVIDIA until it really shows me it's ready to go. Apple's kind of has a little bear flag going on it right here, but Apple's down 9%. So a stock like that down 9%, I don't really want to chase it anymore. Good, Wyatt. I don't know, guys. Honestly, pretty uneventful so far. Pretty uneventful. Tesla's starting to get a little extra weak here. Little bounce here on some things. Market selling off again. I don't know. Do you guys see anything interesting? I got to leave here in about 10 or so minutes. Nice, ESC. Not really seeing any like aggressive selling. It's just kind of slowly coming down here, which makes you think we could see a bounce at some point soon, but I don't know. She's just weird. I don't like it. Nice. See, Tesla's low at day 264. Market's just really dropping off. I don't really see anything that's sticking out to me besides like Meta. Everything else is just kind of just slowly coming down. I feel like people are kind of hesitant to kind of buy into this, it looks like. I just have a feeling we're going to see some sort of reversal just because the selling to me is just not strong enough. But if they keep holding it down like this, then buyers may just completely get out of the way. SPY has just not stopped selling off. Tesla's trying to bounce here on its own. Little bounce here. Little relief bounce so far. I think we could see a recovery here. At least a little bit, but we'll see. Nothing's guaranteed today. NVIDIA just did nothing. Market rolling back over here. Amazon new lows. Jeez. Yeah, I thought we may see a recovery there too, ESC, but nope. Straight back down. Apple's pushing here too as the market's kind of selling back off. New lows on futures. All right, guys, I gotta leave here any minute. So if y'all have any last minute questions, throw them at me. Last minute tickers, throw them at me. If not, then I'm gonna get out of here in about 1 or 2 minutes. Be smart today. This is not something you want to be messing around with. I do think we'll see some sort of recovery, but then again, who knows at this point? But next stream is going to be swing trading group session with Mad Maverick. After that, at 2 p.m. Eastern, options income strategy group. And then after that, at market close, you have a stream with Mr. Stock Wizard. So still got a couple streams left for today. But yeah, other than that, guys, I mean, it's just not really at all what I expected today. So when that happens, you got to sit back. As tough as it is, being a little hesitant sometimes will save you in a market like this. There's the 5-day free trial link for any free members that want it. Get a little taste of what premium is like. And yeah, I got to get out of here, guys. So I'll see y'all later. All righty. Bye-bye.